Hello again, I'm Kevin Wyatt with Wyatt's Outdoor Incorporated. Today we'll be showing you how to install the Ruger detachable magazine system. Fits the Ruger Hawkeye and the Mark II models. This will not fit the Ruger M77 with the tang safety. So to install our unit, all you have to do is open the floor plate, remove the guard screws, there's also a center guard screw on this. We won't be using that in the future. So we take those parts out, we take the stock off of it, take the internal magazine box out, put the stock back on the barreled action, install our trigger guard assembly, and for this you'll only be using the front and the rear guard screws. So you replace those guard screws. And now you have a detachable magazine model for the Ruger Hawkeye or the Mark II model, 77. Thank you once again, Kevin Wyatt, good shooting.